Did you know that you can leave a 15-second video comment under one of your comments in one of your videos? Well, you can, and I'm going to show you how to do that. There are a few things to think about. One is it's a 15-second timer, so you just need to spit it out and just keep it pithy, keep it cute, keep it off the cuff. That's the first thing. Second thing is you might want to consider a comment that isn't too long so that the whole comment can fit onto the screen, because if the comment is long, then it just goes ... and I'm just not sure yet whether that is as engaging or neat and tidy as picking a comment that's just shorter and the whole full comment is on the screen of basically your YouTube short. I'm not sure if I mentioned before, but these do default get saved to your YouTube shorts. The third thing to think about is you actually are going to want this to stand alone and have value as a YouTube short all on its own. If you think about it, in your shorts feed, when people come to it, you know exactly what you've got posted there. And if you just start having a bunch of just kind of random, like you're chatting with your friends, and so you're probably like mentioning some in-jokes and things like that, which if people are looking at shorts mainly, and you've just got a few things that look like you're just having fun with someone else, you're not actually interacting with them the way that you would be if you were deliberately making a short. So there's a few little things to think about. So I've got my screen record on here. This isn't going to be perfectly neat and tidy, and I'm going to look for a comment that's a little bit short, and I'm just going to have a go at responding to it within 15 seconds and providing a little bit of hopefully value, because this is actually going to be my first YouTube short, because it's just a whole other thing, YouTube shorts, so I'm just not completely sure about it. I'm just going to scroll here, try and find something that just stands alone and can just be interesting and of value. What about that? I like that. I've always been a very quiet soul myself and hate unnecessary waffling. I like it. Let's go for that. So I might have 1 or 2 or even 3 attempts at this. I'm going to actually make myself keep rolling the camera, because this afternoon when I was having a little practice, I'm just like, oh my goodness, like how does one even do this? We press on the comment, then we press on the little camera here. Boom shaka, up we are, and it's all flipped around, and you can see that the comment is there. Just we're going for so we can't see my neck. I'm a little bit paranoid about my little neck at the moment. But this is a safe crowd. You're a safe person to say this to. Okay, right, so what are we going to respond to that? I've always been a very quiet soul myself and hate unnecessary waffling. Man, I love that comment. Okay, right, this is S Jukes 123. Okay, what am I going to say? Okay, right. 15 seconds, no more time to think about it. Let's just get straight into it. Totally right. If you've done a lot of waffling at the beginning of your video, when you go back to editing, just skip over all of that bit and just start straight into the video. Trust me, people will love you for it. Totally right. If you've done a lot of waffling at the beginning of your video, when you go back to editing, just skip over all of that bit and just start straight into the video. Trust me, people will love you for it. Okay, let's just keep that. Is that a good enough one, though? So now I'm concerned, is that good enough value to be a YouTube short? I feel a little bit paranoid about that. I'm just going to own it. Here we go. Caption your short. If you want to learn how to do this, if you want to know how to leave a video comment maximum 15 seconds long, I'm just going to put the instructions. I'm just going to say this is an example. Okay, so I've used 94 out of 100 characters. If you want to know how to leave a video comment maximum 15 seconds long, this is an example. Is that some good enough text that's going to stand up enough with that? I'm not sure if it is. Okay, to press reply, hit camera icon. Hoopla! Okay, I think we've got something. I'm going to press return. We're going to public that. That's freaky. Okay, right, and we're just gonna upload it, because we're here to take action, baby. We are here to take action. It is just another piece of content. I do have some slight anxiety about having uploaded my first short, but you know what? Shit ain't that serious, is it? That is the truth. That is some truth. Oh look, and now I've got shorts there, And let's have a little look. No views. Okay. Well, I think it's still uploading actually. Oh, okay. Awesome.
Totally right.
Okay, just we can like stop that now. So amazing, amazing. The cool thing about this is that rather than doing is it called Nexus clips? Opus clips. Instead of doing the Opus clips that are all taken from your longer form video, the risk is that people will not think that the video is worth watching because these apps that pick all your shorts for you and they can sense the crucial bits, the important bits. So you actually, if you're making some really fresh content, like if you see something where you go, that's a good teaching point, I would like to talk to that, that is actually a way to get value from your video, like just to really leverage it. So you do have to do like a little bit more work, but kind of not really, because it's a little bit TikTok-y as well, just the fact that you're just sort of like, you're responding, you're just being fresh and you're being off the cuff, there's nothing staged about it. And sure, you can have a few tries to get what you are then happy with to post, but yeah, that's my first short, and yeah, maybe I might just do another one. Why not? Let's just rock and roll another one. Let's just get the speed wobbles on. I really wanted to do Brenda's Busy After 60. I don't want to be old, ugly and poor either. Okay, oh my God, and I'm doing this shorts thing. What about YouTube voice? Let's have a look at that one. Right, let's have a little look. Let's have a look at something that's a little bit shorter. The YouTube voice gets better with practice. Absolutely, the YouTube voice gets better with practice. Okay, let's do that one. So, Christy, you're on, girl. We're hitting reply. And, okay, what am I going to say to and respond. And we are bearing in mind that this is something that I'm going to need to, just stand beside and just keep it as a short, because I don't want to delete anything off the channel, because it's a bit not good to delete videos. So yeah, we don't want to be deleting anything off our channels. Yes, Christy, 100%, you are exactly right. It is practice, practice, practice. You are hugely inspirational. I see you are so confident on camera. So yeah, the trick is keep doing what you're doing, make lots of videos. Like really, that's it. Absolutely, Christy. I have seen you just get more and more confident. You are completely smashing it out of the park. And as you know, that's just about doing the reps. No one else can do the reps for you. Just make the videos. We're going to go out. We're going to click on Shorts, and we can see it's processing. And then I'll just check it, and then we're good. Have a play around with that and just have fun with it. Like, it ain't that serious. Like for me, and I'm overthinking the whole shorts thing. So for me to have put a couple of shorts up there, I'm pretty pleased with that. I think that might be a very, very fun thing to do. That could differentiate you between other creators as well. Like that could be part of your brand, that you just choose to leave some little video comments. Like that's pretty personal. Get into it and let me know how it goes.